Hey guys, welcome to Ueephone video. This video will replace a speaker for this iPhone SE2. You can see that the current phone speaker is very low. Turn off the phone and start assembly. Unscrew the two rear fixing screws. Use the pick to open the screen gap. After uncovering the screw, unscrew the cable cover screws and take out the cover. Unscrew the earpiece cable cover screw and take out the cover. Disconnect the battery cable, display cable and the handset cable. Remove the screen. Then unscrew the cable cover screw and the fixing screw of the rear speakers. Disconnect the cable and remove the speaker. Take out the brand new speaker ready to install. Install the new speakers. Screw on the set screw. Install the cover, tighten the cover screws and the remaining fixing screws. Remove the residual screen glue from the phone. Apply new screen glue. Install phone screen. Fasten the handset cable, screen cable and the battery cable. Install the cover plate and tighten the cover plate screws. After pressing the screen, screw on the two fixed screws at the rear. Test whether the speaker is normal after turning on the phone. The speakers are normal. So this is the end of the iPhone SE2 replacement accessory.